Alright, a little bit on what I have here. I've been noticing a lot of clunking and all that when I hit certain bumps. And a while back when I was looking under the car, I noticed that the sway bar bushings look pretty beat up. So what I went ahead and did is ordered some Prothane bushings, sway bar bushings. I'm hoping to replace these today and eliminate that clunking sound. Alright, so y'all gonna have to excuse the mess. Obviously, this is around the time that I was doing the heat exchanger swap. So, yeah. Anyways, what I have here also is the Endlinks, also made of Prothane. And these things are really, like, solid. It's not, like, not even a rubber. I don't know if it's technically considered a rubber, but they feel like hardened plastic. This is a very durable part from what I'm feeling. The kit comes with everything that you need, the washer, the bolt, the links, these are the spacers I believe, and of course the bushing. The installation looks rather easy, so let's just go ahead and hop in and get straight to it. Alright guys, so we're going to take a look under the wheel well here, and this is where the end links are, right behind the shock absorber. And as you can see here, this bushing is already done with. These are probably worn out as well. As you can see here, this sway bar bushing is cracked. It's also very cracked on the bottom. Yeah, the shadow's getting in the way, but that is the reason why we are having the clunky and not as stable ride as it should. So we're going to go ahead and swap this out. That way we can get a nice, good ride. So I know the lighting is a little overexposed or whatever, but I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how this is supposed to be put together. This is what it's going to look like when it's assembled. You're going to get the link, put the washer concave area faced up. Then you're going to put the flat side of the bushing down. Another bushing with the groove, the little flat side up this time. Then the concaved washer facing down. Spacer, and repeat the same process. Concave facing up, flat side down, flat side up, concave down, and then put the nut on. So that's just for anyone who has bought this product. This is according to the instructions that came on the box. Alright, so we have installed the new Endlinks. Now it's time to move on to the sway bar bushing. We ain't playing no motherfucking games with you, boy. We ain't playing no motherfucking games with you either. Yeah, buddy. So right now we're gonna take it to the car wash because as you can see, or might not see, it's dusty even sitting in the garage. So we're gonna take it to the car wash, touchless car wash, rinse it off real quick, and then we're gonna see if it still continues doing the clunking, and hopefully it eliminated that issue once and for all. So as you just heard, it did not eliminate the clunking issue. We're gonna have to look further underneath the car to look at the lower control arms to see if maybe we have to replace that whole assembly with the ball joints and all the bushings that go in that assembly. So these things happen.